Hey guys, we're gonna do a product review here on the CoolSmart TV Kit from DaVinci. And like, what is that? So, I don't know, you've heard stories where, your builders have put up a gas fireplace and then they just arbitrarily mounted a TV over it. And then, the homeowners move in and their TV melts. Or you put some kind of wood wall and non-masonry wall around your fireplace and you have fire hazards, fires, and all that. So how do you avoid that? You use the CoolSmart TV Kit. The technology is really awesome. So you can see this unit is a really high BTU unit. It's 62 inches and you could touch the glass, you could touch this wood. It's not even warm all the way up through here. And we even have inserted a recessed TV box, which in a lot of cases there would be a lot of heat behind this wall and we don't have to worry about that because of this kit. So the way it's working is you have an intake over here and a motor, so in a fan box, really quiet. So if you're worried about noise, not even a worry. So you're taking fresh air in, and basically what's happening is behind this wall is a whole bunch of duct work that's running up into this kit. So basically it's pulling all the heat out from behind the wall and from the unit and discharging it up here through this grill. And then there's a main exhaust, a very large one that's running straight out through the roof. And that's pulling another good majority of the heat out of here. So, by using this kit, you're able to actually bring your wood feature right down to the glass of the fireplace. I think that, a designer, decorator's dream. So you have now the flexibility to design anything you want around your gas fireplace. And other situations, you really can't do that, basically because of fire. So if you're currently doing a project or you have future projects coming up, talk to your fireplace installer or your contractor about the CoolSmart TV Kit. Then you can design however you would like around your fireplace. You want to bring the wood right up to the glass. You want to do wood masonry. You want to inset television and you're worried that, in the past you'd have so much heat behind the wall, you would melt the TV and everything behind it. That worry goes away. So check it out, and hope this video was helpful to you. We'd love it if you hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this.